Have you ever been enchanted by the beauty of a butterfly? Have you ever seen one that looked like it came straight out of a dream? Today, we're going to show you butterflies that are even more incredible than you might imagine. Some are as colorful as a rainbow, others hide in plain sight, and some look like they're dressed for a party. Get ready to discover the most extraordinary butterflies in the world. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Now let's begin. Number 20, Peacock Butterfly. The peacock butterfly, a glaceio, also known as the European peacock, is one of the most fascinating and visually stunning members of the Nymphalidae family. This family includes many butterflies known for their colorful and beautiful wings, but the peacock butterfly stands out as one of the most iconic species in both Europe and Asia, where it's relatively easy to spot. Its ability to adapt to different environments makes it a remarkable example of resilience and versatility in nature. This medium-sized butterfly has a wingspan of about 5 to 6 centimeters, making it noticeable to nature enthusiasts and insect admirers. What truly sets it apart, however, is the striking appearance of its wings. They are a spectacular display of vibrant colors and intricate patterns, blending warm orange tones with bold black markings and shimmering blue, purple, and even grayish blue hues depending on the sunlight. The resulting palette looks like it was painted by a skilled artist, an authentic visual spectacle. One of the most curious and defining features of the peacock butterfly's wings is the presence of eyes, circular concentric spots that resemble the eyes of larger animals. These markings serve a vital defensive purpose. They confuse and intimidate predators such as birds, which may mistake the butterfly for a larger, more dangerous creature. This type of mimicry significantly increases the butterfly's chances of survival in the wild. In addition to this visual defense, the peacock butterfly has clever adaptive behavior. When resting, it closes its wings to reveal their underside, which is much duller in appearance, brownish and leaf-like. This camouflages it perfectly against the ground or vegetation. When threatened, it quickly opens its wings to reveal the intimidating eyes, scaring off potential attackers. This combination of camouflage and dramatic display is a stunning example of evolution and survival strategy. Peacock butterflies inhabit a wide range of environments, including forests, gardens, parks, rural areas, and even urban settings. They feed primarily on the nectar of various flowers and play a key role in pollination. Their favorite plants include dandelions, nettles, clovers, and other nectar-rich species, making them important allies in sustaining healthy ecosystems. The life cycle of the peacock butterfly is as fascinating as its appearance. Like all butterflies, it undergoes a complete metamorphosis, from egg to caterpillar to pupa, chrysalis, and finally emerging as an adult butterfly. The caterpillar stage is particularly interesting. Black with spines, it feeds mainly on nettle leaves, which contain toxins that make it unappealing to predators. Another remarkable trait is its ability to survive the winter. During cold months, this species enters a state of diapause, a kind of insect hibernation. Adult butterflies find shelter in hollow trees, sheds, rock crevices, or even buildings, staying dormant until spring returns. This sets the peacock apart from other species that don't survive winter in their adult form. The peacock butterfly also captivates artists, poets, and photographers with its beauty and graceful flight. It is often used as a symbol of transformation, fleeting beauty, and freedom. In many cultures, butterflies represent the soul and change, and the peacock, with its ornate wings, is perhaps the most extravagant embodiment of that symbolism. Despite being common and adaptable, peacock butterflies are still threatened by habitat destruction and excessive pesticide use. Preserving green spaces, planting native flowers, and reducing chemicals are essential to ensure these winged wonders continue gracing our landscapes for generations to come. In short, the peacock butterfly is a true gem of nature, with its vibrant wings and eye-like markings that seem to guard secrets. It enchants anyone lucky enough to see it up close. Its beauty, resilience, and ecological role make it one of the most admired butterflies in Europe and Asia, and a symbol of nature's delicate complexity. Number 19, Goliath Birdwing Butterfly. The Goliath birdwing, Ornithoptera goliath, is one of the most spectacular wonders of the butterfly world, a true tropical biodiversity showstopper. Even its name is impressive, evoking grandeur and beauty, and rightly so. This butterfly is famous for being one of the largest species on the planet, with massive, stunning wings that resemble those of a majestic bird. The nickname birdwing perfectly captures its majestic and unmistakable style. Native to the rainforests of New Guinea, a land known for its lush landscapes and and rich biodiversity, the Goliath Birdwing is a striking presence amid dense vegetation and vibrant surroundings. These humid, shaded forests provide the perfect environment for the development of its larvae and the complete life cycle of the adult butterfly. Its wings are undoubtedly its most striking feature, spanning up to an incredible 28 centimeters, making it one of the world's largest butterflies, comparable in size to some small birds. What truly draws attention are the brilliant electric colors, a hypnotizing blend of blue, emerald green, black, and yellow that shines in the sunlight like a living painting crafted by nature. This vivid coloring not only fascinates observers, but also helps the butterfly blend in with the foliage, protecting it from predators. Besides the wing size and coloration, the butterfly's body is robust and marked with distinctive patterns that further enhance its overall beauty. These features aren't just decorative, they're part of the butterfly's evolutionary adaptations for survival in a competitive and threat-filled environment. The life cycle of the Goliath birdwing is equally fascinating. Like all butterflies, it goes through complete metamorphosis, beginning as a tiny egg laid on host plant leaves, hatching into a caterpillar that feeds voraciously to gain strength, then forming a chrysalis in which it undergoes a magical transformation before emerging as an adult with stunning wings. This process may take weeks or months depending on environmental conditions. Adult Goliath birdwings are often seen gliding gracefully through the forest, slowly flitting among trees and flowers, feeding on nectar and participating in the vital pollination cycle. Their pollination efforts help ensure the reproduction of various plant species, maintaining the delicate balance of tropical forest ecosystems. Culturally, this butterfly holds special significance in parts of New Guinea, where it symbolizes beauty and prosperity. Some indigenous tribes use its wings in traditional ceremonies and adornments, underscoring the deep connection between this species and local cultures. However, despite its impressive appearance and ecological importance, the Goliath birdwing faces serious threats. Habitat destruction from deforestation, agriculture, mining, and urban expansion is shrinking the areas where it can thrive. Illegal collection for the exotic insect trade adds further pressure. Thus, rainforest conservation and protected areas are essential to ensure this natural jewel continues to captivate future generations. In summary, the Goliath birdwing butterfly is a sublime example of tropical nature's complexity and beauty. With its dazzling wings and majestic size, it's one of the world's most memorable and beloved butterflies, and a vital component of the ecosystems it inhabits. Learning about and protecting this species is an invitation to admire and respect the rich life thriving in Earth's rainforests. Number 18. Tree Nymph Butterfly. The tree nymph butterfly, Idea leuconoae, is one of the most unique and fascinating species in the butterfly world, standing out with its distinct physical traits and singular behavior. Unlike common butterflies, the tree nymph has a special charm that makes it an icon of biodiversity in its natural habitat. One of its most curious features is its furry legs, an uncommon trait among butterflies. These help it cling to various surfaces, sometimes even people. Tree nymphs are particularly attracted to vibrant colors, especially red, so if you're wearing red, don't be surprised if one lands on you, treating you like part of its natural garden. Its wing patterns are equally dazzling, mostly white with black spots and markings that vary in shape and size. Some individuals even have a spot resembling a heart, a natural work of art that captivates anyone lucky enough to witness it. In terms of size, the tree nymph is massive compared to many other species. It's the largest butterfly in Japan, and also found in other parts of Southeast Asia. With a wingspan reaching up to 11 centimeters, its wide, delicate wings give it a majestic presence. Its flight is often compared to a drifting paper kite, slow, smooth, and almost poetic. Visually stunning and ecologically important, the tree nymph plays a critical role in pollination. As it feeds on nectar, it transfers pollen between flowers, maintaining plant diversity and the balance of the forest ecosystem. It also lives longer than most butterflies, surviving several weeks as an adult, an advantage for pollination and reproduction. This extended lifespan also makes it easier for researchers and nature lovers to observe its habits and contribute to its conservation. The tree nymph thrives in tropical forests, especially on islands and in dense, humid vegetation. Its caterpillars feed on specific plants, mainly from the Aparosa genus, which contain toxic substances. This makes the butterfly itself toxic to predators, a natural defense mechanism that helps ensure its survival. Sadly, habitat destruction, urbanization, and climate change threaten the tropical forests where the tree nymph lives, reducing its breeding and feeding grounds. Conservation efforts and the creation of nature nature reserves are vital to preserve this species and the ecosystems it supports. Culturally, the tree nymph is also significant. In many Asian countries, it symbolizes beauty, transformation, and hope. It inspires legends, artworks, and even festivals that celebrate nature and life. Its presence is often a sign of a healthy, balanced environment. In short, the tree nymph butterfly is far more than a pretty insect. It's a spectacle of nature, combining elegance, ecological function, and cultural symbolism. Its graceful flight, impressive size, and vibrant appearance make it one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. To know, admire, and protect this butterfly is to value the richness and diversity of our planet, and to ensure that future generations can also be enchanted by this delicate winged bird. Number 17, Glasswing Butterfly. The Glasswing Butterfly is a beautiful and mysterious insect. Its wings are transparent, making it unique and earning it its name. These wings are structured with veins that allow light to pass through, creating a special visual effect. You can find it in humid areas of Central America. Though it's hard to spot, its wings have edges that help identify it. Despite its fragile appearance, this butterfly is incredibly strong. It can carry up to 40 times its own weight. Its transparent wings also help it hide from predators. To protect the species, many national parks are working to conserve its habitat. Like many butterflies, it migrates throughout the year and can even be seen in Florida. It can fly at speeds of up to 13 km/h. This butterfly is stronger than it looks and has inspired scientists to develop better ocular implants. Number 16, Swallowtail Butterfly. The Swallowtail Butterfly, Papilio machaon, often simply called the swallowtail, is a true star in the butterfly world, standing out both for its unmistakable beauty and its charming behavior. Although it's not the largest butterfly out there, it makes up for its size with a natural elegance that makes it one of the most admired and beloved species among nature enthusiasts, photographers, and biologists alike. This magnificent insect belongs to the Papilionidae family, a group renowned for its large-winged species with vivid colors and unique patterns. The swallowtail is known to inhabit areas near rivers, streams, and forests, where the humidity creates perfect conditions for its survival and the growth of plants that feed its caterpillars. These rich ecosystems provide the butterfly with a wide range of natural resources and shelter from predators. One of the most striking features of the swallowtail butterfly is its wings. Unlike common butterflies, it displays a pattern that strongly resembles zebra stripes, alternating black and white bands that create a hypnotic visual effect. These stripes not only help it blend in with surrounding vegetation, but also confuse predators, making it harder for them to target specific body parts. This kind of evolutionary adaptation is an incredible example of how nature develops intelligent survival strategies. Another standout feature is the long tails extending from its hind wings, which give it the name swallowtail. These elegant and delicate wing extensions serve both aesthetic and functional purposes. They help improve flight stability, allowing the butterfly to perform agile, quick maneuvers, even in strong winds. They also serve as decoys for predators. If attacked, a predator might bite these non-vital parts, giving the butterfly a chance to escape unharmed. The swallowtail's flight is like a dance in the air. It glides gracefully with wide, rhythmic wing movements that leave observers in awe. Its lightness and agility make it an efficient pollinator, aiding in the reproduction of various wildflowers and plants, reinforcing its ecological importance. Pollination by butterflies like the swallowtail is essential for sustaining both natural and agricultural ecosystems. As with all butterflies, the swallowtail undergoes a complete metamorphosis. It begins life as a tiny egg laid on the leaves of host plants. The emerging caterpillar is voracious and specially adapted to feed on the leaves of plants from the Apiaceae family, such as herbs and shrubs near waterways. After forming a pupa, chrysalis, the caterpillar transforms into the elegant adult butterfly, ready to begin the cycle again. Despite its beauty and ecological role, the swallowtail butterfly faces challenges similar to those of other butterfly species: habitat loss due to deforestation, pollution of rivers and green spaces, and overuse of pesticides that harm both caterpillars and adults. Preserving the natural ecosystems this species relies on is essential to ensure its survival and the environmental balance in tropical and subtropical regions where it thrives. The presence of this butterfly in a given area is often a sign of a healthy ecosystem, as it depends on specific plants and balanced habitats to survive. Therefore, conservation efforts, environmental education, and the creation of nature reserves are vital to protect this natural treasure. Beyond its ecological role, the swallowtail butterfly also inspires art, culture, and admiration around the world. Its colors, patterns, and shapes are used in paintings, crafts, and even fashion, reflecting the deep connection between nature and human creativity. In summary, the swallowtail butterfly is much more than just a beautiful insect. It is a symbol of diversity, complexity, and the magic of the natural world. Its elegant appearance, graceful flight, and crucial ecological function make it a species worthy of admiration and protection. Learning about this butterfly is a journey into the richness of wildlife and a reminder of the importance of preserving nature for future generations. Number 15. Malachite Butterfly. Malachite butterflies are like tiny flying works of art. Each one is unique, showcasing incredible combinations of colors and wing patterns. Some display emerald green and brown tones, others mix emerald green with black, and still others feature striking black and yellow. Some even have vibrant orange highlights. It's as if nature had fun painting each butterfly in a different way, making them even more special and beautifying the places where they live. Number 14. Ulisses Butterfly. Like the other butterflies we've encountered, the Ulisses butterfly is an awe-inspiring creature that lives in the tropical rainforests of Australia and Papua New Guinea. It's a perfect example of the phrase, "beauty lies in simplicity." With just two colors, blue and black, it manages to capture everyone's attention. The brilliant blue fills the center of its wings, while the black borders create a modern and elegant look that stands out in the wild. Number 13. Papilio Rummanovia Butterfly. Papilio Rummanovia, also known as the Red Mormon, is a stunning and eye-catching butterfly from the Papilionidae family. It thrives in open areas full of flowers, where it can feed and reproduce freely. Its large black wings are decorated with red spots near the lower edges, resembling ladybugs. These red spots have black eyes in them, adding even more charm to its appearance. The upper wings also feature black stripes. Even though it's mostly a two-tone butterfly, it is undeniably unique and visually striking, deserving special recognition. Number 12. Question mark Butterfly. The question mark butterfly is a medium-sized butterfly that you can often spot near trees and in residential areas. It's named after the distinctive marking on its wings that looks like a question mark. Though it's considered common, I've never seen one myself, but it's said to be stunning, with vibrant colors that seem to glow even without direct light. Its wings are beautifully shaped, and the earthy tones combined with black markings give it the appearance of a hand-painted masterpiece. It's as if nature used a fine brush to create a piece of art in motion. Number 11. Postman Butterfly. The Postman Butterfly is medium-sized but visually special. While it belongs to a group known for long wings, its wings are shorter and wider, making it both unique and elegant. These butterflies are very colorful. Most have black as their base color, combined with red, white, or orange accents. Each butterfly has its own unique pattern and color distribution, like a work of art. Some have black on the wing edges, while others feature bright red or orange. Some even show hints of blue. This rich variety of colors makes the Postman Butterfly's habitat even more vibrant and visually stunning. Number 10. Green Dragontail Butterfly. The green dragontail butterfly is a special kind of butterfly found in the warm countries of South and Southeast Asia. It resembles other swallowtail butterflies with its long tail-like wingtips. But what makes it truly unique is the beauty of its wings. They're large and beautifully patterned, but the most special part is their coloring. Part of the wing is transparent like glass, while the rest is black with blue designs. It's as if the butterfly is wearing a black party dress with blue details and a see-through skirt. With its vivid colors and long tail tips, the green dragontail is a true natural gem that makes any environment more beautiful. Number 9. Green Birdwing Butterfly. The green birdwing butterfly is a giant species that lives in tropical rainforests and surrounding areas. It belongs to the Papilio family, known for its large and colorful butterflies. This butterfly can have a wingspan of up to 12 centimeters, meaning its wings can open as wide as that. Because of its large size, it displays intricate patterns and designs on its wings. The wings of the green birdwing are emerald green with shiny black edges and markings. Some species also feature yellow and blue accents. Its body is yellow with small black dots, perfectly matching the wings and creating an impressive display of natural beauty. Number 8. Striped blue crow butterfly. The striped blue crow is a beautiful and unique butterfly. Its wings resemble a rainbow, blending 3 or 4 colors in a magical way. Thin white stripes and heart-like patterns make it even more captivating. What makes this butterfly truly special is that each individual has a different color combination. Some are brown and blue, while others are white, gray, and vibrant blue. It's as if every striped blue crow has its own unique style. Because of this variety, each butterfly is a true work of natural art, as if nature is painting a different masterpiece on every wing. Number 7. Dead leaf butterfly. Imagine a butterfly so skilled at hiding that you could walk right past it without ever noticing. That's the dead leaf butterfly, a true master of camouflage. It blends so perfectly with its surroundings that you could easily mistake it for a dry, fallen leaf. Even its name gives away its secret, dead leaf butterfly. With its earthy brown color and a shape that mimics a curled up leaf, it becomes nearly invisible to the untrained eye. But if you look closely, you might just spot this hidden gem of the natural world. Number 6. Blue Morpho Butterfly. The blue Morpho Butterfly, a star of this video, is a rare and iconic species. It has a modern, elegant look with perfectly shaped wings, a vibrant blue color, and black edges. One fascinating fact is that only the males are blue. The females, on the other hand, look very different, with shades of brown, yellow, and black. Some people mistakenly think the males are brown too, but that's not true. The radiant blue of the males, along with their incredible wing patterns, makes the world around them even more dazzling. Number 5. Painted Lady Butterfly, Vanessa Cardoi. At first glance, the Painted Lady Butterfly, scientifically known as Vanessa Cardoi, might not seem like much. Its name evokes the image of an exotic, brightly colored creature with dazzling patterns that stop you in your tracks. But when you finally spot one in the garden, field, or even a city park, you might be surprised by its subtle elegance. Unlike its more flamboyant cousins, the Painted Lady doesn't scream for attention. Instead, it invites a second look, and upon closer inspection, you'll find that this butterfly is far more captivating than it first appears. The wings of the Painted Lady carry earthy hues, muted oranges, soft browns, dusty blacks, and pale pinkish whites, all arranged in a pattern that may appear random, but is actually a finely tuned form of camouflage and communication. The upper side of the forewings displays a beautiful mosaic of orange and brown with dark blotches and a series of white spots near the tips. On the underside, the hind wings reveal a series of tiny eye spots, tools for defense, confusing predators into aiming for the wrong part of the body. Although its coloration isn't as vibrant as, say, a Monarch or Morpho Butterfly, it's the delicacy of detail in its wings that earns the Painted Lady its name. It's like a vintage painting aged with time, faded but deeply expressive, quiet yet eloquent. It is this understated charm that has made Vanessa Cardoi a favorite among butterfly watchers and entomologists worldwide. What truly makes this butterfly special, however, isn't just its looks. It's the story of its incredible journey. The Painted Lady is one of the most widespread butterfly species on Earth, found on every continent except Antarctica. It thrives in a staggering variety of habitats: meadows, deserts, woodlands, gardens, highlands, and even cities. From North America to Europe, Africa to Asia, and down to Australia, this butterfly has made itself at home in climates ranging from temperate to tropical. But its most astonishing trait is its epic migration. The Painted Lady is considered the longest distance migratory butterfly in the world, even more impressive than the famed Monarch in terms of scale. In Europe and Africa, for instance, Painted Ladies migrate over 11,000 miles round trip from sub-Saharan Africa to the Arctic Circle. What's even more remarkable is that, unlike monarchs who rely heavily on specific host plants and conditions, the Painted Lady's flexibility and resilience allow it to adapt to changing environments parents and complete this migration through multiple generations. This means the butterfly that starts the journey in Africa is not the same one that finishes it in Scandinavia. It takes 6 successive generations, each laying eggs along the way, to complete the entire loop. Scientists still marvel at how this species navigates such a complex and expansive route. The fact that this tiny, lightweight insect can travel such extreme distances without GPS, without maps, and often against strong winds is a profound testament to the wonders of evolution. Another fascinating aspect of the painted lady is its life cycle. Like all butterflies, it undergoes complete metamorphosis. Egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult. The caterpillar stage feeds on a wide variety of host plants, such as thistles, mallows, and hollyhocks, which makes the species particularly ecologically flexible. This adaptability in diet helps the painted lady establish itself in diverse regions and weather unpredictable environmental conditions. From an ecological perspective, the painted lady plays a critical role in pollination. Because of its wide range and frequent movement, it helps pollinate a variety of wild and cultivated plants, contributing silently and consistently to the balance of local ecosystems. It may not get the spotlight that bees or monarchs do, but its contribution is no less vital. Despite being common and globally distributed, the painted lady still faces environmental challenges. Habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change threaten the plants it relies on, and its long migrations can be disrupted by unpredictable weather patterns. In recent years, researchers have taken a closer interest in its migratory habits as an indicator of climate shifts and ecosystem health. Culturally, the painted lady often flies under the radar, figuratively and literally. It appears in the background of children's nature books, educational kits, and field guides, rarely taking center stage. Yet perhaps it's this very unassuming presence that makes it so symbolic. It reminds us that beauty doesn't always have to be loud, that resilience can come in soft tones, and that sometimes the most extraordinary journeys are taken by the most ordinary looking travelers. So the next time you're outdoors and a quiet flutter catches your eye, take a moment. It might just be a painted lady passing through on her silent, spectacular odyssey across continents. She may be easy to overlook, but she is never insignificant. In her modesty lies a deeper beauty, one of endurance, grace, and quiet impact on the vast and intricate web of life. Number 4. Queen Alexandra's Birdwing Butterfly. Among all the butterflies known on the planet, one reigns supreme, the Queen Alexandra's birdwing, Ornithoptera alexandrae. With its imposing presence and stunning beauty, it's considered the largest butterfly in the world, both in wingspan and in visual grandeur. As the name suggests, this butterfly is not just beautiful, she is the true queen of the insect kingdom, a masterpiece sculpted by nature over millions of years of evolution. Queen Alexandra belongs to the Papilionidae family, the same as the elegant swallowtail butterflies. But even among its closest relatives, she stands out. Her wings can reach up to 30 centimeters in wingspan, the size of an A4 sheet of paper or more, making her not only the largest butterfly, but also one of the rarest and hardest to find in the wild. And where does this winged jewel live? Only in a small corner of paradise called Papua New Guinea, in the dense tropical rainforests of Oro Province. There, she soars from the highest treetops to the blooming lowlands below, but her beauty goes far beyond size. The females, larger than the males, have broad brown wings with whitish markings, subtle at first glance, but astonishingly elegant up close. The males, on the other hand, are pure spectacle. Their wings are painted with dazzling shades of emerald green, turquoise blue, and black, creating a heavenly contrast, as if a divine artist had brushed every wing. A fascinating feature of this species is the intricate detail of its wing patterns. Each individual's design is unique, like a fingerprint. These vibrant patterns not only enchant observers, but serve practical purposes too, attracting mates and deterring predators. Queen Alexandra's birdwings also emit chemical signals known as pheromones, which help males find females in the dense forest. In terms of behavior, this butterfly is relatively calm and slow. Its large wings allow for smooth, flat, almost slow motion flight. However, its size makes it an easy target for predators, especially birds, so it tends to stay high in the canopy, away from danger. Its life cycle is just as extraordinary. It begins when the female lays her eggs on the Aristolochia plant, the only one that can sustain its demanding caterpillar caterpillars. These plants contain toxins that make both the larvae and the adult butterflies toxic to predators, a vital defense strategy. The caterpillars, dark colored with spines and striking stripes, grow quickly and reach impressive sizes before turning into chrysalises and finally emerging as majestic adults. Unfortunately, like many grand species, Queen Alexandra's birdwing is seriously endangered. Its range is extremely limited, and habitat destruction due to logging, farming, and urban expansion is a growing threat. Moreover, its unmatched beauty makes it a target for illegal collectors who pay exorbitant prices for rare specimens. As a result, the butterfly is protected by international laws like the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, CITES, which prohibits its capture and sale without special permission. To counter these threats, several conservation programs have been created to protect the species. Natural reserves have been established in Papua New Guinea's rainforests, and local initiatives are promoting sustainable butterfly farming for scientific and educational purposes. These efforts not only help preserve this extraordinary species, but also support sustainable development in the region. Seeing a Queen Alexandra's birdwing in its natural habitat is a nearly mystical experience. Watching it float silently among the trees, with its giant wings glistening under the tropical sun, leaves a lasting impression on those lucky enough to witness it. This butterfly represents the splendor of biodiversity, the delicate balance of life, and the urgent need for environmental preservation in a world increasingly shaped by human activity. In short, Queen Alexandra's birdwing is much more than a beautiful insect. She is a symbol of nature's grandeur, the fragility of ecosystems, and the urgent responsibility we have to protect our planet. Her majestic beauty is a constant reminder that even the smallest creatures can wear a crown, and it's up to us to ensure that this queen continues to fly freely for generations to come. Number 3. Greenbacked Blue Butterfly. The greenbacked blue butterfly is a small and charming species from the Lycaenidae family. It's known for its unique ability to change colors, which makes it both stylish and fascinating. When its wings are open, they display a vibrant blue with touches of black, but when the wings are closed, they shift into a soft grayish white, almost like a disguise. This color change happens because the butterfly's wings have two layers, one blue and one white. It's like having two different looks, one for flying and another for resting. That's why this butterfly is considered one of the most interesting and charismatic in the world. Number 2. 88 Butterfly. The 88 butterfly is a truly unique species found in South America and Mexico. It's small, but its appearance is unforgettable. Its name comes from the black stripes on its wings that form a pattern resembling the number 88. The underside of its wings is a colorful display of white, black, and red details. The top side, however, is simpler, usually in black with shades of blue. To top it off, the 88 butterfly has a very different diet from most butterflies. While most feed on nectar, this one prefers overripe or rotting fruit, making it even more unique in the butterfly world. Number 1. Monarch Butterfly. The monarch butterfly is a truly special creature, often seen as the queen of butterflies. It belongs to the Nymphalidae family, known for vibrant colors and breathtaking beauty. In many cultures, the monarch symbolizes transformation, hope, and new beginnings, thanks to its incredible metamorphosis. The monarch is a work of natural art with its striking combination of bright orange wings edged in black with delicate white dots. Its beauty lies not just in appearance, but in its rarity. It's hard to find, which makes each sighting even more special. What's more, its behavior adds to the fascination. The monarch is famous for its long-distance migration, a remarkable journey that spans thousands of kilometers. Though small, it carries a powerful presence in its habitat, captivating all who witness its flight. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Also, check out the other fascinating videos that are popping up right now on your screen, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time.